guess what? We can finally say the C word, Christmas. Okay, it's September, but I have got a really good excuse. I'm currently on the way to the Hazlitt Theatre's Panto press launch. Try saying that after a few. And this year's Panto of 2024 is Cinderella, and I cannot wait. So for any of you that normally go to the Hazlitt to see their wonderful Pantos, you will know that year after year they are getting better and better and better. And actually last year was Peter Pan, and it was, I actually want to say it was magical, and there were parts that was actually quite breathtaking. So I cannot wait to see what magical stuff we've got in store for Cinderella. So come with me and find out. Woo-hoo. Oh, it's only September. Can you believe it?